If you no longer use an app on your Shopify store, you'll want to uninstall it. So here's how. First, click into apps on the left-hand side and then find the app that you want to delete. So I'm going to click this goodness one. And in this top right corner where there's the 3 dots, you'll select that and then you'll see an uninstall. So click the uninstall. This pop-up is making sure you want to uninstall it. So it is saying you won't be able to view or access features in this app anymore. Discounts that use this app will also be deleted. A request will be sent to the app developer within 48 hours to delete all personal customer information. Learn about data privacy. Reasons for uninstalling, you don't have to answer that. You can say you're not using it now if it was too hard to use, not as satisfied, it didn't have the features you wanted, it was expensive, you had problems with the security or the privacy, or it's not working with your store. I'm not going to select anything. I just installed it just to delete it. Once you're sure you want to uninstall it, you hit this red button. And then Shopify pops up with a message. You have successfully uninstalled your app. The goodness was what the app was called. And then it's saying if you want to find a similar app, you can go back to the App Store. And now that we are in here, I also see you can uninstall from this area. I'm going to show you how to get here from the main screen. So you could go down into settings in the left-hand corner. Then you can click in apps and sales channels. And on this page, it pops up with all your installed and uninstalled apps. So you can select between the 2 tabs here. So if you ever installed something that you realize you want to install again, you can come in here and install it again. You would just click those 3 dots and hit install. In the installed area, if you hover over it, it will pop up where you can hit uninstall near the right hand side. So this spot would be very helpful if you want to uninstall a lot at the same time. I'm just going to click next to one, so it would pop up with that same message asking if you're sure if you want to uninstall it.